Lesson 6, Salama. Today we are learning 2 super useful Malagasy questions you can use every day. Before we start, here is something worth knowing. In Malagasy culture, these 2 questions are very common conversation starters. People will often greet each other by asking, "Where are you going?" or "What are you doing?" instead of just saying, "Hello, how are you?" A friend of mine who served in the Peace Corps told me that visitors sometimes find this a little strange at first. Because in English, we do not usually ask such direct questions to a stranger or a casual acquaintance. But if you start using these questions yourself, you will quickly expand your Malagasy conversations. And you will learn many new words from the answers people give you, so do not be shy, use them. Let us begin with the first question in Malagasy.
Ande o aiza.
Means where are you going? Listen.
Ande o aiza.
Let us break it down. The word
Ande.
means go or let's go. Listen and repeat.
Ande.
The next part
O aiza.
means to where. Listen and repeat.
O aiza.
Now put them together. Listen and repeat.
Ande aiza.
To ask another person directly, you add
Ya now.
which means you, so the full question becomes
Ande o aiza ya now.
which means where are you going? Listen and repeat.
Ande o aiza ya now.
Now let us listen to a natural exchange.
Ande o aiza ya now.
Andeha any an-tsena aho.
The answer
Ande ani an-tsena aho.
means I am going to the market. Now let us learn the second question. In Malagasy,
Manao inuna.
means what are you doing? Listen.
Manao inuna.
Let us break it down. The word
Manao.
means do or doing. Listen and repeat.
Manao.
The word
Inona.
means what? Listen and repeat.
Inuna.
Now put them together. Listen and repeat.
Manao inuna.
And to ask another person directly, you add.
Ya now.
So the full question is,
Manao inuna ya now.
which means what are you doing? Listen and repeat.
Manao inuna ya now.
Here is a natural exchange.
Manao inuna ya now.
Mihinana aho.
The answer
Miinana aho.
means I am eating. Now let us practice together. Repeat after me.
Ande o aiza. Manao inuna.
Great job! You can now ask people where they are going and what they are doing in Malagasy. Remember, do not be afraid to use these questions when you meet someone. They are the natural way to start a conversation here, and the answers you receive will teach you new words every single time. See you next time.